Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic, how to increase volume beyond 100% on Windows PC and laptop. It's a very simple process. You just need to download a dedicated app for increasing the beyond 100% volume in your computer. Very simple way. First you have to come over into your website, and here you just need to come over into downloading Sound Booster. You need to come over this website over here. Don't worry, I will give you this website into the video description. From there you can simply come over this website. If you want to search it by manually, you can simply search for Sound Booster .horse. Click enter and you will get the www.filehorse.com and you will get the website over here. You can see simple way if you choose to manually coming over here. So first we're going to come over into the audio library into the YouTube, and as you can see from here we will going to play a music over here. Like as you can see, I played this music over here. You can simply see, or I can play it at this Heartbird Wind and make it more progressive. If I now come over into the sound section, as you can see, it's fully sounded, and into the sound system you can see it's total 100%. So now if you're going to download this software, click start downloading. Now close this ad, and as you can see the download has been started, and as you can see the download has been completed. And now if I click on it 2 times to install, there will be a permission. Click yes. And now if we minimize our browser, and as you can see there is a select setup language, so I'm going to select English. If you have any preferable language, then you can simply choose it. Click OK, click next, then I will going to click I accept the agreement, then click next another time, and now I will going to check create a desktop shortcut, and then click next and then install, and then simply click finish. And now if you just go for the sound audio library, and here you can see how you're going to increase it. Just come over into this option over here, click on that. Oh, I didn't open this, so I'm going to open, and after opening it you will get it here. As you can see there is the icon over here called Sound Booster. So now if I go for the audio library and I'm going to play this music another time, we can see now we are getting this kind of sounds. So if I just go for this here, before increasing it, make sure you didn't harm your ear for increasing the sound. So for that you just need to be careful with it. So now I will going to play the music. If I enable it, you can see the sound getting more boosted, and that's it. This is how you can simply increase volume beyond 100% in your computer with this very little software downloading process. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if it's helpful. And if you want a new dedicated topics like this kind of video, then you should need to comment it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.